The story started in 2019 when Thierry Bourdier, the founder of Sigmeo, met people from Sierre. They had some specific requests about structural analysis, and especially with composite. Then there's been a little gap where I think the startup was not maybe ready for simulation. The startup came back with more things to learn. Not only composite, but they had to do structural analysis, they had to do fluid dynamics, and they wanted to combine all of this together. Startups, they start with an idea, with a concept. When it's time to work on the final project, they realize that there are many topics to be investigated. We are not expert in every sector, so we join with Janus Engineering, who will be focusing more on the CAD aspects, and we will focus on the CFD. And then there is the channel partner manager from Siemens. It's like an orchestrator who is coordinating all the actions.
We are very happy with our partners because they are very close to us. They are very expert in their domain. And we are working a lot with Janus Engineering company and Sigmeo because it's amazing software because there are so much possibilities that actually I think we know only 40% of the capacity of the software. Then we have to learn every time.
Siemens Accelerator is very interesting for companies such as Sierre because that permit to have access of many applications very easy, and that permit to develop new product with all applications. There is no limit, there is no restriction, and that permit to have access of platform of training. It's very interesting for company such as Sierre. In France, Janus Engineering is a specialist for CAD solution, and it's the only partner. Sigmeo is the best partner to introduce the solution of simulation. And yes, it's natural that the both company work together and propose a great solution to Sierre.
We have expertise in fluid dynamics. We have expertise in structural analysis. We understand what small companies need in the development of a new product. And also on the financial side, we brought the startup program, which is a program designed by Siemens, where a startup will have access to Siemens technology for a lower cost. This in-kind promotion from Siemens really helped company to access state-of-the-art technology. I think this is a very strong point for the startups.
We want to have expert partners because we want to put in front of the customer a partner who can understand the business challenges and help them in their digital transformation journey. Collaboration between partners is key because due to the fact that they need to be expert, they can't be expert on everything. So that's why collaboration is key. It's very important to have a partner who understands the key challenges of the customers, meaning for sure understanding how the product can fit to the challenges, but also the industry. This example of Sierre is a very good example in the marine industry because they are a startup that they don't have the same challenges as big companies.
We have been partner for 20 years with Siemens. Numerical simulation software are evolving very fast in a very competitive sector. So it's quite important for the customer to have behind the partner to have a company which can bring all these technology together. It brings a wealth of technology for the customers. The learning curve was quite steep, but we managed to get them there.